Shifting our focus now to breaking inputs coming in. Another controversy that is brewing in the state of West Bengal. The signature row now explodes and it has rocked the TMC. TMC signature controversy has taken a dramatic turn. Moments after Chief Minister Suvendu Adhikari revealed that two TMC MLAs, Ritabrata Banerjee and Sandeepan Saha, had complained that they never signed the proposal letter related to the leader of opposition appointment, the party expelled both of them. According to Suvendu Adhikari, the two MLAs approached the Assembly Speaker claiming that the signatures on the document did not match their own. That complaint led to an FIR, which was later handed over to the CID. The development comes even as CID earlier summoned TMC MP Abhishek Banerjee in connection with the same case. With two MLAs now expelled, a CID probe underway and questions being raised over the authenticity of the signatures. Let's go across to Rajesh, who's joining us on the broadcast with more details. The investigation continues. Two MLAs have been expelled. Rajesh.
Yes, absolutely. This case is currently being investigated by West Bengal CID, as Bengal Chief Minister Suvendu Adhikari has said that initially the case was registered by Hare Street Police Station in Kolkata, but a competent authority and a larger agency was needed to investigate the case, since there are several TMC MLAs who are from district level apart from the city of Kolkata. That is the reason why not only Kolkata Police, rather a larger and competent authority was needed to initiate the investigation. And after the recommendation from State Home Secretary, Chief Minister Suvendu Adhikari has approved the CID investigation. And right now, CID has formed a 5-member special investigation team to probe this signature controversy. And this 5-member was a special investigation team headed by one DIG rank officer and two DSP rank officer is currently investigating the case of signature forgery, which happened during the resolution took place at the residence of TMC Supreme Mamata Banerjee on 6th May. And and already CID has already questioned several TMC MLAs like Nayana Banerjee from Kolkata and several other leaders like Arup Roy, Baharin Islam and several others. TMC MLAs have already questioned by CID investigation team in connection with the signature controversy case.
Absolutely, and it all came to fore when complaints were leveled. Allegations were leveled by the TMC MLAs themselves. How many have been questioned so far by the CID, Rajesh?
So 5 to 6 TMC MLAs have been questioned by the CID investigation team so far. At first, a CID team reached the residence of Nayana Banerjee, wife of TMC MP Sudeep Banerjee. They reside in Kolkata. Their CID team reached over there along with the team of signature experts and forensic experts. The signature was recorded by the signature expert, and forensic team has also seized the paper, and that the same thing will be examined by the forensic experts also. And after that, MLA from Howrah Central, Arup Roy and Baharin Islam, who is MLA from Canning East Assembly Constituency, and Chandranath Sinha from Birbhum District, they all were in the list of CID, and all these MLAs were questioned by the CID investigation team, and their signatures were recorded by the FSL forensics.
So several TMC MLAs have been questioned. Rajesh, do stay on with us. I believe the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mr. Suvendu Adhikari, has also reacted on this controversy. We have some breaking inputs coming in where Suvendu Adhikari, the CM of West Bengal, has hit out at the TMC. He says TMC should know there is no role of BJP or the West Bengal government in all of this. It's the internal rift that has led to this situation. Two TMC MLAs, Ritabrata Banerjee and Sandeepan Saha, lodged a complaint in the matter that their signatures were forged. So Suvendu Adhikari now escalating his attack. He's made a stunning revelation. Suvendu Adhikari is hitting out at the TMC, says BJP has no role to play, but TMC will have to now introspect on what's happening within the party. Rajesh continues to be with us on the broadcast. Suvendu Adhikari, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, has reacted. He's hit out at the TMC. He's highlighting how it were the TMC MLAs who first filed a complaint. Look within your party first. That's what Suvendu Adhikari is telling Didi.
Yes, absolutely. Shubhendu Adhikari has conducted a press conference at the State Secretariat headquarters Navan a few hours ago, and during this press conference, Shubhendu Adhikari has made a big revelation, stating that two TMC MLA, one is Shandiban Shaha, another one is Ritu Brata Banerjee from Ulubiria East Assembly constituency, where the TMC MLAs who made the allegation and who raised the allegation to the Assembly Speaker, stating that they didn't sign on the paper, on the resolution paper, which were conducted on the 6th May at the residence of Mamata Banerjee, and that letter was sent to Assembly Speaker on behalf of the party, which after deciding the name of Chief Whip of the party, and of course the leader of opposition in the West Bengal State Assembly on behalf of Trinamool Congress. But these two MLAs raised the allegation that they didn't sign on the paper, but their signature were forged by someone. And after getting this serious allegation, the Assembly Speaker transferred the matter to the Principal Secretary of West Bengal Assembly, and the Principal Secretary of West Bengal Assembly made a written complaint to Hare Street Police Station in Kolkata, and after the approval of Chief Minister Shubhendu Adhikari, West Bengal CID took over the charge of investigation into this case, and right now the 5-member special investigation team is currently investigating the signature controversy.
Right. According to reports, Rajesh, the CID has also served summons to Abhishek Banerjee. Before you come in on that, let's listen into what the Chief Minister of West Bengal said.
स्ट्रीट पुलिस स्टेशन ने होम डिपार्टमेंट में सूचना दिया है, जो कलकत्ता और कोलकाता बाहर का बहुत सारा एमएलए लोग है, और यहाँ हमारी सिग्नेचर एक्सपर्ट, उनका फॉरेंसिक वीडियोग्राफी, एक थोड़ा बड़ा इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग प्लेटफॉर्म चाहिए इसको इन्वेस्टिगेशन करने के लिए। टीएमसी बंगाल का जनता का साथ तो भ्रष्टाचार किया है, अभी उनका खुद एमएलए का साथ भ्रष्टाचार कर रहा है। टीएमसी चोर है, अपने खुद चुने हुए एमएलए का सिग्नेचर चोरी कर रहा है, इसलिए जनता को ये मालूम होना चाहिए।